Hey y'all, it's your girl Night. She back with another video. I told y'all that I'm going to start posting these long form videos. And I think I know how to hold my camera now for the long form videos because yesterday that video did not come out cute. Anyways, yesterday I cooked and I forgot to clean the dishes. I know I got to get my shit together. And yeah, I just want to let y'all know before anybody say anything, yes, we have a little ant problem. Not a problem because like I clean it up and we fix it the same day, but the problem is that it keep happening. Like what the fuck? That's how you know it's springtime. Spring is coming, babes. Like it's almost summertime. I'm in the bathroom doing this voiceover while my kids are taking a nap. I'm sorry, my fiance called while I was making this voiceover, so it cut in the middle of me talking. But yeah, what are y'all cooking today? My fiance is gonna make fried chicken rice, some vegetables, and biscuit. Thank God for that. That means that your girl do not have to cook, which I truly don't mind cooking, but it's like I literally just want to sleep. I've been so tired, but I've been on run like constantly. Once again, if you guys have any tips about how I can make my editing better, let your girl know. I do want to start putting like little memes and stuff to get you guys entertained because I don't really do much. I'm kind of boring. All I do is take care of my kids, like honestly. And that might not be boring for most, but like, yeah, we don't really do much. We don't really go outside much unless it's like to take the kids places. We're like in the house. Like I informed y'all yesterday, we just moved here from New York. So it's like we don't really know anybody yet. What's your favorite cleaning supplies? I love Dawn dish soap, but if it's not that, I think my favorite cleaning supply is definitely Lysol. Like I love the smell of that. It's old school. It's gonna get the job done. And yeah, I'm gonna play some music. I'll probably come back, but yeah. Again, if this is something that you're interested in, can you please subscribe, like, comment? These videos and your encouragement literally makes me want to do videos more. Like I said, your girl has no friends out here. I miss my people and I don't have anybody here. So text your girl, hit your girl up, email her. I don't care. I'd be bored. Anyways, I'm gonna close this video out and just put on some music. I hope you guys have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.